Hello students, next we are going to study about looping to execute statements repetitively. Looping to execute statements, looping to execute statements repetitively. So in the previous topics you studied about decision making statements. Decision making statements means we are going to execute the statements only once based on the decisions. Means we are going to decide which are the statements to be executed. Whenever the condition is true, we will execute that statements. Whenever the condition is false, we are going to skip those statements. But looping means we are going to execute the same set of statements again and again. Means repetitively we are executing the same set of what statements. That concept is nothing but what? Looping. So in this first we are going to study about using the do loop. We have many looping statements. So in this first we are going to study about do loop. While writing do loop, here do is a keyword. Do is a keyword. And D should be what? Capital letter. D is what? Capital letter. So whatever the do loop we have, it keeps executing its enclosed statements. Means whichever the statements we have enclosed in the do block. Do block alli ನಾವು ಯಾವ statements na enclose ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. So it will keep on executing this statement until the condition becomes what? False. Condition false ಆಗೋವರೆಗೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಅ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಇಫ್ ದಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಟ್ರೂ. If the condition is true, it will execute the statement. Again, after executing the statement, again it will come back to the looping condition. Again it will check a condition. Again if the condition is true, it will execute. So when the condition becomes false, yavaga condition false agutte, on that time it will exit from a what? Do loop. Do loop inda horagade barutte. And the general syntax of what? The do loop is, the general syntax of do loop is, first you have to write a keyword what? Do. Next we have to write a what? Keyword while or until. While or until. While writing while and until, the first letter should be what? Capital letter. W should be capital, U is capital. And next you are going to write a what? Condition. Condition, and here you are going to write a statements. Whichever the statements we have to execute in the do loop. And next you have to write exit do. Exit do. Next the following statements. Loop idu true ಆದರೆ ಈ statements execute ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. If it is false, exit ಆಗಿ ಅದರದ್ದು next following statements ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? Execute ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Here you are going to write the keyword what? Loop. And while writing do loop, we have a two versions. ನನಗೆ ಎರಡು version ಇದೆ. So this is the first version. Or we can write another version. That is nothing but first you are going to write a what? Keyword do. And here you are going to write a what? Statements. Here you are going to write a statements. And exit do. And here the following further statements. Means outside the loop. And here you are going to write a keyword what? Loop. Means at the end you are checking a what? Condition. At the end you are checking a what? Condition. So these are the two versions of do loop. In the first version, in the first statements itself, we are checking a what? Condition. If this condition is true, it will execute this statement, or else it will come out from the do loop and it will follow the execution of the what? Further statements. In the second version, first it will execute the statements. It is not checking any condition. ಏನು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. In the last we are checking a what? Condition. This is nothing but pre-test loop and post-test loop. This is a pre-test loop. Means before executing we are checking a condition. And this is post-test loop. Post-test loop anta helidreno First we are going to execute the statements. Later we are going to what? Check a condition. Later we are going to check a what? Condition. So write one example for this. What? For the do loop. Do loop ಗೆ ಒಂದು example ಬರೀರಿ. For example, I am going to display the what? Numbers. I am going to display the numbers from what? 1 to 5. On the time you are going to write what? Module 1. Inside the sub procedure main. Sub procedure you are going to write, that is main. And we are declaring one variable I, dim I as what? Integer, dim I as integer. We are assigning one value for I, that is 0. You have to get output like this, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in order to display a output like this, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how you are going to write a do, that is loop here? Do while I less than or equal to 5. What is the condition we are checking? Do while I less than or equal to what? 5. What is the statement? We have to just display the value of I, that is system dot console dot write line, system dot console dot write line of what? Ampersand of str of I. You are displaying the value of I, ampersand of str of I, and your exit do. Here we don't have any statement for exit, so just you have to write a what? Loop. Just you have to write a what? Loop. If I want to write any statements for the false condition ಗೆ exit ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೇನಾದರೂ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದು ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ವಾಟ್? ಎಂಡ್ ಮೇನ್, then not end main, it is end sub and end module. So if I execute this program, first it will create one module. Inside this we have a main. So first it will declare a variable I as integer. What is the initial value of I here? 0. Next it will come for this while I less than or equal to 5. What is the first condition it will check? 0 less than or equal to 5. It is true, right? It is true. And here you have to write another statement, that is what? I plus plus. 0 less than or equal to 5, it is true. If it is true, it will execute these two statements, system.console.writeLine of I. It will display the value of I. What is I now? 0. It will display 0. Later I will be incremented. I will become 1. Again it will go back to this condition. Again it will go back to this. So it will display what? It will check a condition what? 1 less than or equal to 5. So it is true. So it will display the value, that is 1. Again I will become 2. 2 less than or equal to 5. True. If it is true, it will display and it will be incremented. 3 less than or equal to 5. It is true. So it will display and it will become 4. 4 less than or equal to 5. It is true. So it will display and it will become 5. 5 less than or equal to 5. It is true. So it will display 5 and I will become 6. 6 less than or equal to 5. It is false. So it will come out from a loop. Loop in the horgade barutte and it will end. So output is this one. This is how the do loop is executed in VB.NET. Thank you.